color grading can either ruin your edit or even resurrect your worst edit. Roll the intro. Welcome guys, this is Pius Jagenda, and today we are going to color grade with Luts. Luts are lookup table. All these are coded files that you can apply to your video and it will change the way it looks. So many people try to edit and color grade their videos with Luts, but some of them, the results they get, they are very annoying. Or even some people go to social media and they buy all these epic Luts, and when they start color grading with them, or when they put them on their footage, it comes out annoying, and many complain that the Luts are not working. Now, one of the things that so many people don't know is that the camera reacts to colors, reacts to lighting, but also it reacts to the climate of the day. So you need to take so much time for you to learn color grading, for you to be able to perfectly color grade your videos. When you want to color grade with Luts, this is how you should be able to do it. Step one, you're going to start with opening up Premiere Pro, and when you open Premiere Pro, you will have to import that video or that timeline that you like to color grade. Once your footage is imported into Premiere Pro, you will go to lumetri and then open up the lumetri color. Or even you can decide to go to Windows, scroll down, go to lumetri color, and you will get this amazing panel on your left hand side or your right hand side, depending on how you're facing your machine. Or alternatively, you can decide to go to Effects and then you type in lumetri color. You'll see that effect. So before you apply that effect to your footage, you'll have to create an adjustment layer. Once you get your adjustment layer, I advise you to put it on top of that clip that you would like to color grade. Then apply the lumetri color. After applying the lumetri color, play with those lumetri sections and those panels, the exposure, the contrast, until you get the look that you feel is pleasing. But another pro tip, I advise you not to overdo it. Once you're done with color correcting, create another adjustment layer, put it on top of the adjustment layer you have color corrected. Then there you can go into the creative section, look for those Luts that you have downloaded or you have bought online, and then apply the Lut. Now, if the Lut is really annoying or even you're not loving the colors that you have achieved, I advise you to decrease the opacity or the intensity of the Lut, and I believe on a certain figure you will have achieved the look that you like. Or even you can decide to go to the effects section and then increase the opacity of the adjustment layer. At the end of the day, you will have amazing colors with the Lut. I believe you have learned something from this video. In case you have any other way that you use Luts, please comment it in the comment section below so that we can be able to learn from you. But also, I advise you to like and subscribe to this channel because I upload videos every single week. I'm Pius Jagenda, and keep creating. Peace.